How to unblock someone on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram and then click on the profile picture at the bottom right corner. Then click on the three lines at the top right of your screen and click on settings. Here you want to click on privacy and then scroll all the way down to the connections section, and from there click on blocked accounts. And here you will be able to find all of the accounts that you have blocked. So in order for you to unblock any one of them, you can simply click on the unblock button next to him and then click on unblock from the confirmation box, or you can click on the account and then click on unblock, the blue button, and then again click on unblock from the confirmation box, and the accounts will be unblocked. So that was it for this video. That's how you can unblock people on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.